Um, this mural basically takes on the legacy of an icon for us as an African American community. Um, my mom always says you're either a Michael Jackson fan or you're a Prince fan.
Michael Jackson.
And I'm a Michael Jackson fan.
Turn up.
But the day Prince died, I recognized that I was really both. And the reason is because Michael Jackson was often compared against Prince. So I like to believe that Michael Jackson was who he was because Prince existed. And he had someone to, compare himself to or to go against as far as making iconic music. So I'm a very big fan of Prince as after his passing and just really learning about the type of musician he was and what he really left us. So I had the opportunity of creating this piece, and it is entitled The Purple Rain, not R-A-I-N, but R-E-I-G-N, simply because he reigned. I mean, what he did in his career, and especially with this song, he really opened up a lot of people's eyes. So I wanted to pay tribute to him as a visual artist, and I hope you appreciate my work.